Rolling. Here guys, Jonathan here with an unboxing of the brand new Galaxy Note 9 amongst some other goodies. The thing is though, it is being shot through the Galaxy Note 9 courtesy of my man, Judner, aka your average consumer, aka Quentin. We've got a couple goodies here. SU cover, the flip cover to be specific, a wireless charger duo, which, I don't know, kind of looks familiar. Wonder where they got that idea from. Maybe we should start with the accessories, or probably we should go for the phone. We got that yellow S Pen, and if you missed our hands-on video, our impressions video, the reason why it's yellow is because it actually writes yellow. We're also giving away one of these, so for a chance to win your own, check that video out. I'm teaming up with Judner, so we're doing some cool things out here. Today's goal, though, is to get inside the box. And if you missed it, the Galaxy Note 9 is actually quite the monster. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. This, unfortunately, isn't the monster 512 gigabyte version, but I think I can deal with 128 gigabytes. If the audio is a little uncrisp, I'm trying to give you the raw, unadulterated experience of the Note. So everything you're watching, everything you're hearing is being recorded through the Galaxy Note 9 4K 30 frames per second. So got that little pull tab. Anytime a manufacturer can make this part easier, that's always welcome. You hate to kind of have to shake it out and bring it out, so I'm down with a little pull tab. This is the ocean blue. That is shiny. Gotta rip it off. Ruins the look. I'm gonna stick that there. How's that look?
Clean, man.
Yeah, that is.
Kind of looks like mine.
Looks like Judd's. We'll get you some camera reception going on right now. So I'm gonna pop out the S Pen, of course. It is yellow. While we do that, I should probably not break it. One of the hidden features of this guy is actually it's Bluetooth low power. So it's like this little magic wand that you can use to control songs. You can launch applications. You can launch your camera and take pictures with it. So they actually made this pretty useful, and I dig the little small but subtle updates with the S Pen. While this boots up, see what else we got in the box. That is not a good idea. Judd is all about cases. I think they're honking at me saying, don't, whatever you do, set the phone up here. So we got that USB-C to USB-A adapter, the wall brick power charging adapter, fast charging included in the box, AKG headphones, USB-A to USB-C, earbud tips. I thought it was that little package that they tell you not to eat. You probably shouldn't eat that anyways. And last but not least,
that's the change of pen tip.
Your tip gets dirty. You gotta change it. This will let you do that. It's the tip changer swapper. Anyways, back to the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start that. Can I do 3 things at once and get that going? So I got the lilac purple case, it looks like. Giving me a little bit of mix of everything. So I got the ocean. Can't litter. Let's stick it in my pocket. I'm gonna give you one more look at that before I toss the case on. And there you go. So that's called the SU flip cover, where it allows you to see the always on display even through the case. I've never been really like a bulky case fan, so I'm not sure if I would rock that, but if you want kind of protection all the way around and you want to be able to see the screen, that's a pretty solid option. So we got one more piece of plastic that I'm gonna rip off, jam that in my pocket. It's a little bit windy, it's a little humid and hot out here in Brooklyn. Just getting through that initial setup. And again, Judner, I still haven't played Fortnite. That is one of the things that's kind of like exclusive with the Galaxy Note 9. There were rumors that it was going to be like for the first month, but what it is a beta for the first couple of days. So if you buy a Galaxy Note 9, that's going to be your first chance to play Fortnite on mobile. I wouldn't know because I haven't touched Fortnite on PC, on Mac, on iPhone, or obviously even Android at this point, so I'm definitely a little bit of a noob as far as that goes. Got the Judner Heat update. Tell him, Judd, what do you get?
Get that skin, that Galaxy skin if you pre-order. So if you need that in your life, you know what to do.
Get some V-Bucks too. How about some J-Bucks, Judger Bucks? Where'd the mystery bag go?
Oh, I got it.
Also in the nature of just unboxing stuff. These were Ooh. This looks like a piece of, your little piece of cookie heaven. What is that?
Oh. Okay.
It's like a...
Wait, what the heck?
You could knock somebody out with this. It's like a cookie rock baseball muffin biscuit hybrid. Let me know how that looks in Samsung Note 9 4K glory. Sir, would you like this? I can't eat it.
Thank you.
Yeah. You should taste it and let me know how it is. That's the dessert.
Generous John.
I like it. Get in there. Forget about that. That's cool. This looks like something Andrew Edwards would rock. Andrew, I see you.
Hello, guys. You have to find the desk.
I'll clean it up.
Yeah, we're gonna be done soon.
We're buddies.
Yeah.
We're buddies.
All right, do your thing, man. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Almost got kicked out, but thank you to the kind man for not getting us out of here. Sidetrack though. That's sure. I think I'd wear that. Quick recap on the Galaxy Note 9 if you missed it. Snapdragon 845, 6.4 inch display, dual cameras. It's got that dual aperture mode like we saw on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Also, the new thing is they called it like the enhancement where they brought AI capabilities to the camera here. So it's supposed to be able to decipher from a plant to a flower to a human to a cat. So, and then from there it's going to give you the best possible optimized settings. So we're locked and loaded, up and ready to go. You probably can't see that out here in the sun, but
I'm not. Note 9's doing pretty well.
You can?
Yeah.
It's got some dynamic range.
Yeah, I
as
see
the
it.
kids say.
It's good.
Yeah, so I think the thing I want to feel is like, I'm gonna make Judd nervous.
Oh boy.
I just want to feel it in the hands. Feel it in the hands. That's not bad. Like, this might be the Galaxy phone to get this year. It's got the most battery, it's got the biggest screen. You get the S Pen, which is now dual function, and the way it charges is actually just by popping it in there. I hope this doesn't have the same. You remember when they used to have the problem where you stuck it in wrong, it would break the pen? They took that away last year, so hopefully we're good here. And I think I'm gonna get a little, not Bixby going on, I'm gonna get a little camera reception going on. Damn, Brooklyn! Hey! Oh, that crop though.
It's real, man.
Yeah. So we got Judd locking it down. He's still got the sticker on. Shout out to Target, Guitar Center, Applebee's, DSW, Best Buy, and my man. How you doing? What's your name?
Kenji.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And let me know what you guys think of the quality down below. I'm gonna flip it over to selfie video. So now we're on the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9. Just wanted to give you a quick little raw impressions video, how it looks, how it performs. Thanks to Judd for locking down the camera work. Make sure you guys check out our hands-on video if you want a chance to win your own. It's been a very quick unboxing, except it's not over because I'm gonna get yelled at if I don't show this. Real quick, lightning round. I feel like I'm Lamar Wilson. Could never do as good a job as he does. Okay, you're still recording. Wow. Okay. Hey. There you go. So, looks again very familiar. The idea here, fast wireless charging, set your Galaxy down, set your watch down, and that is the name, the Fast Charge Duo. So as we close out this video, I think we'll kind of walk it out, see how the stabilization is, see how it moves around when we're walking. Thank you guys very much for watching. Again, make sure you guys check out Judd. He is the amazing hand behind this video. Our hands-on videos are here. Thank you guys. This is Jonathan, and I'll catch you guys later. Update. I just realized we don't have AirDrop on the Note 9, so got to find a way to transfer the footage. Got to walk into Best Buy, find us a USB-C thumb drive. So if you're watching this, you found it, and that's how the video got uploaded.